Some say we are modern-day Robin Hoods, and others, they just don't understand that we have a choice. Newton said for every action, there's always an equal and opposite reaction. This is our reaction. Am I a criminal? I don't think so.
Baby, you know about the autumn.
Everyone needs a job.
When the leaves are falling.
We all need a payday.
Yeah. Oh, and all the pretty flowers.
Did you miss me, you wankers?
Slowly wither to the ground. All the birds that stayed this summer spread their wings and fly away.
Hoxton! Oh, Oxy fire! Oxdelicious!
Hey, if it isn't a big bad wolf. How you doing, brother?
The cops are about to raid the safe house. Grab your weapons.
Any second now!
Police are gonna try to rush us any second now.
HRT on the scene.
They're in the ventilation! I can sense that shit!
Let's fuck 'em up.
Stay frosty.
Hoxton! I bet they got fucking thermal vision! Hey! Hoxton! I got no ammo! Ammo man! Hell,
Be right there.
oh shit! Fucking Cloaker! Watch your back! They got high-tech goggles and shit! Alright, it's on! Better clear the room! Shields, fucking out! Gonna eat you alive! Let's stay down!
That's it, really.
The police are retreating! Wait for it! Wait for it! Bullseye!
That was a hell of a beating you just handed out. Now let me give you a tip. Do that again.
Fucking get on with it.
FBI's most wanted? Check. Bullet wounds? Check. Rich as a motherfucker? Big fucking check.
I suspect this is gonna work out one way or the other.
Get the assault team in there!
Here they come.
The police are on the scene.
Alright, shit's gonna hit the fan any second now.
All right, Ramblers, let's get rambling.
There.
Fuck me, my arsehole's going.
Now! Push harder!
Wipe the twats out!
Hit him hard! Come on! Get the fuck now! Checkmate, motherfucker! Segern är vår, vi har vunnit, segern är vår!